Hello everyone and welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I will share with you a delicious crispy baked chicken drumstick. Basically I will not use oil in cooking, but we will oven it. And here we go, the basic ingredients we will use. First we use paper towel to pat the drumstick dry. Then we transfer the drumstick to large bowl. Add salt and baking powder. Mix them well. This to ensuring the baking powder is evenly distributed. Next brush the tray with the butter. This to make crispy the skin and not sticky on the tray. Lay the drumstick on the tray. Then we're gonna put the drumstick into oven 45 minutes until 1 hour with 300 degree Fahrenheit or until crispy and cooked through. Next, in the meantime, we will make the sauce. We squeeze 3 cloves of garlic. Then we heat the pan with the vegetable oil over medium heat. We add the garlics and we will cook it for half minutes. We add the chicken stock, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and honey. Cook stirring every so often for about 10 minutes or until the sugar has dissolved and the sauce has thickened slightly. Stir through the corn flour mixture and simmer for another half minutes or until thickened. Then set aside to cool. After 1 hour of baking, we take out the drumstick from the oven. Voila! The crispy baked chicken drumstick is cooked and crispy. Then we transfer to serving plate. To serve the honey sauce over the chicken drumstick. And toast them until well coated. We serve with sprinkle of sesame seed, is optional. And the crispy baked chicken drumstick is done. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you again.